Hello, friends. Welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? For clarity, for concepts, for core, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? Discussing the question number 5 in 6.3 exercise. Here we go. S and T are the points on the sides. PR and QR of triangle PQR, such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So this is the figure according to the question. This is a figure. Note down this one. So which triangle that is? PQR triangle. Clearly PQR triangle. In this PQR triangle, and S is on PR. S is on PR and T is on QR. So T is on QR. So I have shown exactly. And here one more information he has given. Angle P is same as angle P is equal to angle T. If not angle RTS. So RTS. These angles are equal. He has given these two angles are equal. So we have to prove that triangle RPQ. Look at and find out where is RPQ. RPQ, that is a bigger triangle. RTS, that is a sub triangle in that. RTS. These two triangles are similar. We have to prove it. So based on the given information, I wrote given statement as well as required to prove. As you observed from the statements, I wrote it. Now, here very important point is, what is very important point is, so we have two triangles. One is triangle RPQ, as well as one more triangle, that is RTS. If you observe clearly in RPQ and RTS, this angle R is a common angle. This is very important. So angle R is a common angle. Common angle. That means angle QPR, QRP, angle QRP is same as angle SRT. So look at and observe this one. Angle R is a common angle for both the triangles. R is common angle in the both the triangles. So this is very important point. We have to notice that angle R is a common. So one angle is common, we got it, and already he has given in the data this angle is equal. Angle P and angle T are equal. Angle P and angle RTS is equal. So that, is it enough to prove that these two triangles are similar or not? So let us see in the next slide. Proof. So what I got it, angle R is a common angle. That is nothing but angle QRP is equal to angle SRT. So this is, I got it from important observation. And one more is angle is equal. Which angle is equal? Angle RPQ is equal to angle RTS. So this is from given data. From given data, these two angles are equal. Clearly, in the two triangles, in two different triangles, corresponding angles are equal. When corresponding angles are equal by AA criteria, AA similarity criterion. So these two triangles are similar triangles. What is the statement? If in two triangles, two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of other triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Definitely these two triangles are similar. So better I will write those two triangles. So triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So that we got it by which criteria? This is by AA criteria. So by AA criteria, we can declare that these two triangles are similar triangles. Similar triangles. So that's all about this sum. You also try it and get it.